The Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia 2760 flip for Straight Talk. So this is a new flip phone for Straight Talk. The model number is N139DL. So the Nokia 2760 is available now for $29.99. So don't expect a whole lot from this phone here. It's available in black there. So you guys have the phone right there. You guys have your camera and your camera flash on the outside of the phone there. Your external display, Nokia logo. And I'm not sure what that is right there, but where my mouse is. So, yeah, that's what the phone is being closed. This is back of the phone. You guys have your front of the phone there. Back of the phone has your Nokia logo and your Straight Talk logo and your speaker. There's a close above it there. I think your power button and I think your volume keys is on the right side of the phone. I'm not sure what this button is here. I think your power button is your N button, so yeah, it's kind of weird that they don't show the inside of the phone, which is kind of disappointing there. So yeah, kind of disappointing. So it says here the essential device for staying in touch. It's the flip phone you remember with some new upgrades and the speed of 4G. But it's simple to use features, bright screen, big buttons and text. The Nokia 2760 Flip is a familiar and reliable way to help you stay connected to family and friends. Alright, so there's the phone right there, opened left side and back. So your standard stuff on the phone there, your standard numeric keypad there. You do got a couple of shortcuts there. Your power button is your N key, like I said. So yeah, you got a headphone jack here. I think it's a 3.5 headphone jack. I think it is. Hopefully it is. Yeah. And here are some of the specs on the Nokia 2760 Flip. Like I said, do not expect a whole lot from this phone here. This is a flip phone for $30. So you do not expect much from a guy. So you do get 4G LTE, Wi-Fi. The band is CDMA. Dimensions, I guess that's what the phone being opened is 4.33 inches height, 2.28 inches width, and 0.76 inches depth. You have a 2.8 inch internal display, which is QVGA. Then you have a 1.77 inch external display, which is 128 by 160 pixel resolution, 6.8 hours of battery. Hearing aids there, talk time 6.8 hours. Memory 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of eMMC ROM there. What comes in the box is your Nokia 2760 flip phone, charger, USB charger, and quick start guide there. More features. It runs KaiOS 3.1, 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, plus a video recorder. All the features you want without complexity. See who's calling on the 1.77 inch external display, or flip it open to the 2.8 inch LCD screen for bright, easy to read text. When you are finished with your call, simply flip it closed to hang up. So that was one great thing about flip phones back in the day. If you was on the call and you was done with your call, the only thing that you had to do was just close the phone and the phone would hang up. That was a great thing about flip phones back in the day. So great feature there. So yeah, essential apps and connectivity. Essential apps and popular games can be downloaded from the ever-growing App Store, which is the Kai App Store or whatever the fuck they call it. Browse the internet with both 4G and internet sharing capabilities. Google Maps and search capabilities built in to help you find your way. Ready when you need it. Essential apps and it's basically this the same shit. I don't know why they did that. It's kind of dumb. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a flip phone, I mean, here you go with the Nokia 2760. It's available now for $29.99 from Straight Talk. So don't expect a whole lot. You do get iOS, so you do kind of get some smartphone features in here. So like I said, for $30, do not really expect a whole lot. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone or whatever the case may be, this could be a phone for you to check out, I guess. I mean, if you guys want to spend $30 on it, it's up to you. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Nokia 2760 Flip, now available by Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.